Today, we are excited to bring you some cool tools. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Hilti Neuron EXO T22. The Hilti Neuron EXO T22 is a cutting-edge construction tool designed for efficiency and precision. With its advanced technology, this device revolutionizes the way tasks are performed on the job site. Offering exceptional durability and intuitive operation, it seamlessly integrates into various construction workflows. The Neuron EXO T22 streamlines tasks with its innovative features, enhancing productivity and ensuring top-notch results. Whether drilling, fastening, or anchoring, this tool excels in performance, making it an indispensable asset for professionals seeking reliability and effectiveness in their projects. Skill Power Snake Drain Cleaner. The Skill Power Snake Drain Cleaner is a dependable solution for tackling stubborn clogs in household drains. Engineered with power and precision, it efficiently removes blockages to restore smooth water flow. Featuring a durable build and user-friendly design, this tool is suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional plumbers. Its flexible cable reaches deep into pipes, effectively clearing debris and obstructions. With its compact size and portable nature, the Power Snake Drain Cleaner offers convenience and versatility for addressing drain issues in kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas of the home, ensuring hassle-free maintenance.
Metabo 18V Cordless Die Grinder.
The Metabo 18V cordless die grinder is a powerful and versatile tool designed for professional grinding and cutting tasks. With its cordless design, it offers freedom of movement and convenience on job sites. Powered by an 18V battery, it delivers consistent performance and extended runtime, enhancing productivity. Featuring a compact and ergonomic design, it allows for comfortable handling and precise control during operation. Equipped with safety features and variable speed settings, it ensures optimal results while minimizing the risk of accidents. The Metabo 18V cordless die grinder is a reliable choice for professionals seeking efficiency and performance in their work. XCar's Wood Expert SapBy XA2 is a rugged and efficient forestry tool engineered for wood handling tasks with precision and ease. Featuring a sturdy construction and ergonomic design, it offers superior control and comfort during use. Its sharp, hardened steel blade ensures effortless cutting and gripping of logs, making it ideal for forestry professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its innovative design, the SapBy XA2 enables safe and efficient manipulation of heavy logs and timber, reducing strain and increasing productivity. Whether for forestry work or outdoor projects, this tool delivers reliable performance and durability in every use.
Raimondi Up.
The Raimondi Up is an innovative tile leveling system designed to streamline the installation process and ensure precise results. With its user-friendly design and high-quality components, it simplifies the task of achieving perfectly level and flush tile surfaces. The UP system utilizes reusable caps and wedges to securely hold tiles in place, reducing the need for constant adjustments and minimizing lippage between tiles. Suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tile installers, the Raimondi Up enhances efficiency and accuracy, resulting in professional quality tile installations every time. Say goodbye to uneven tiles and hello to flawless floors and walls with the Raimondi Up.
Malco Bender.
The Malco Bender is a precision tool engineered for effortless bending of metal materials, offering exceptional accuracy and reliability. Crafted with durable materials and precision machining, it ensures consistent performance in various bending applications. With its ergonomic design and user-friendly features, such as easy-to-read angle indicators and comfortable handles, it enhances efficiency and reduces operator fatigue. Whether shaping ductwork, flashing, or other metal components, the Malco Bender delivers smooth bends with minimal effort. Trusted by professionals in HVAC, construction, and metalworking industries, It is a go-to choice for achieving precise bends with ease and confidence.
Cross-bladed axe.
The cross-bladed axe is a unique and versatile tool that combines the cutting power of an axe with the piercing ability of a pickaxe. Featuring a cross-shaped blade head with multiple cutting edges, it excels in various outdoor tasks such as chopping wood, breaking through tough materials, and digging through soil or rocks. Crafted from durable materials like high-carbon steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and resilience in rugged environments. With its ergonomic handle and balanced design, it offers comfort and control during use, making it a valuable companion for camping, survival, and landscaping activities. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.